Oh yeah, there we go. What's up everybody? Welcome to Seth Leroy Fishing. Today I'm going to be hitting Big Lake again. I haven't for a couple vlogs other than the one with my kids, but I just wanted to get back to my roots, go back to a place where I know I catch fish. Like, share, subscribe. The channel is Family Hot Dish. I wanted to thank every returning viewer that I see through my YouTube studios. I appreciate it. And like I always say, we live in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing. Cast over more towards these rocks, and right over here it's a lot more shallow, which I feel like in fall time it's a lot better. See if we can't get one of these predators, which just hit there. Got him. He's small, but we got him. He's barely on there. I don't know if he'll get on. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, buddy. Let's get him in the water quick. Dude, he's a nice little fella. Get him in the water quick. All right, let's keep fishing. Okay, there we go. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That felt a little decent, bro. There we go. There we go. Can never. Oh yeah, there we go. I knew he felt decent. Yep, that's a decent northern. There we go. Got some weight on him. Chill out, buddy. Oh, I'll get you out of the foam. Like that. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. He's a good one. This guy's got a big old head on him. Decent sized northern. He's gonna be a big boy. Look at that head on this guy. He don't mess around. Good catch. I see him still out there. There he goes. Appreciate it, buddy. There we go. There we go. He didn't feel big at first. Let me just... I'm guessing we got northern in the weeds. First... First, I was like, there we go. I think I got him loose. What are you? I think he's just gonna be a northern in the weeds, but he's got to be decent. Okay. Dude, that was ridiculous. No. Yep. Guarantee he was a northern who got deep in the weeds and he was huge. Whatever. He felt big while I was fighting him. And then he just was in the weeds and it was over. Alright. Let's keep looking. That was a good one right there. Those ones do suck to lose. Oh, there we go, fish. He's got a little weight to him too. Nothing huge. No, he's pretty small. He felt like he had some weight. Whatever though, we'll take him. It's all good. Come here, buddy. Calm down, tough guy. It's a little guy. After the big guy got off, just get this guy. It's all good. Love all fish, catching all fish. He's like, I'm out, dude. There we go. More decent of a bass. More decent. Oh my God, he just wrapped around my leg. How cool are fish? Well, he's more decent than the other ones. Finally, like a 15-incher. Nothing serious. He was a tough guy. All right, see ya, buddy. I can't tell. Yeah, you're something fighting. Oh my God. Oh my God, he broke off. Oh, man. There we go. Like I said, I was done with the drag being set. And he gets off. All right, now I'm not messing around. Now it's time to catch fish. There we go. Stay on. A little bit smaller of a northern. No, I'm not gonna get him in the sand. The sand is bad for them. But a little guy. Oh my gosh, no. Get back in there. Don't go on the sand. Just trying to keep you out of it. Focus on my fishing. I'm trying to focus on what? On my fishing. Get away, I smell you. I'm trying to focus on what? On my fishing. Get away, I smell you. I'm trying to focus on what? On my fishing. Get away, I smell you. I'm trying to focus. On what? On my fishing. Get away, I smell you. I'm trying to focus. On my fishing. Get away, I smell you. Well, this is a decent guy. He's not huge, but we will take him. I love all fish. Jeez, buddy. There we go. Say goodbye to him. There he goes. I'm just gonna walk this line one more time. There we go. There we go. He's not big, but we'll take him. I'm just keeping him above the water because he's little. People are thinking, why would he do that? I usually will fight him a little low, but in these weeds too, you can't really fight them low, as you've seen in my video today. I don't know why I talked like a robot there. Little guy, he's gonna grow up to be big. Appreciate the catch, buddy. I appreciate all fish. Good bite down. See you, dude. Good. The little guy fought good though. Like sometimes I can't tell if they're even on, but you could tell he was on. He had some spunk. He's like, no, I'll show you, dude. Hopefully he doesn't go around that big northern with that big ass head. Big ass head northern. Oh, there we go. Northern. Just love watching them swim around. How cool. Look at him. Get him over here, get him off. I'm not trying to get him too close to the sand, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Dude, chill out, you tough guy. You are pretty too. You're a pretty guy. There he goes. Go grow. See, I can still see him. Go grow, buddy, go grow. Continue to grow. Yep. Stay on, buddy. And he got off. He was decent. He was decent. It's like, what? There we go. Oh, another decent northern. Not big, but he's got a little bit more weight to him than those little snakes. Just wait, buddy. Just wait, buddy. Get you out of here. These guys just are so funny. The way they hit the spinner, just... Jesus. Just destroy the spinner. Alright, buddy, you be good. There he goes. But now I have my drag set pretty good for this area. It's got a little give, but not too much give. Oh yeah. There we go. The little guy can fight. Trying to get him so he doesn't end up touching no rocks. Getting bonkied. Like I'd say to my little kids, don't want them to get bonkied. Good little bass. Good little guy. Now trust me, I made sure he didn't touch no rocks, everybody. That was a cool hit. Well, that's it, everyone, and that was a fun day of fishing. It was some good times. Some good northern, some good bass. One good bass that was about 15, 16. That one northern with the big head, he was probably 30, 32. So a decent day of fishing, caught a lot of fish. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad I got back here. I'm probably coming back here on my next vlog too, just because they're hitting. Like, share, subscribe. This is Seth Leroy Fishing. The channel is Family Hot Dish Channel because we got a lot of other stuff, but mainly we're a fishing family. That's what we do. Like I said again, like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell notification because, you know, we got 1,300 subscribers and that's great. Appreciate everyone, every view, every returning view. But if people don't hit the bell notification, you're not going to get notified. So anyways, like I said, we are in the land of 10,000 lakes. So what are you doing? Go fishing.